This video, we like to show you where we stay while we are in Tokyo.
We want to live like a true local, so we ditched the traditional hotel and rented this cozy modern apartment in Salon Shibuya. This neighborhood is so close to Shibuya Crossing, we're going to show you after the room tour. Now we arrive in Shibuya Station, and we're going to have to cross the Shibuya Crossing to get to our hotel or apartment. So I'm going to show you where we stay. This is in Shibuya. It's called Salon Shibuya. And to get here, we had to walk through Shibuya Crossing, which was kind of an experience because we had a lot of luggage. But I want to show you what the place is like. To get inside, we had to use a combination, which they sent to us. And that's how we were able to get the lock and the key to be able to get into the place. So let me show you what this is like. Follow me. So when you first walk in, the first thing you see is two beds. And this is good. I think a single person on each one could easily sleep there, possibly two, but more comfortably just one person. So two beds. Then we also have the bathroom here. So this is the bathroom. It's very clean. Nice. You have a toilet. It also has one with some buttons there. We'll figure out what those are. I think you have a bidet in here, if you know how to use a bidet. We also have a washer. So they do have a washer here, and then they have instructions on how to use the dryer here as well. So we're going to give that a try and see what that's like. Then you have the actual shower itself. Oh, there we go. We got a light. This isn't a typical Western shower where you have the shower head, but we've used these before. You have a shower handle, and this looks pretty modern, so this is not too bad. We just have to get used to this. They give you conditioner, so you have everything you need, body soap. All right, so let's look at the living room. We got some closet space here. Not much to put in here. Maybe just a couple little things here. So the closet space is pretty tiny, but it's something. And you got a couple of them. Oh yes, when you come into these places, you cannot have your shoes on. So they gave you slippers. So you take your shoes off and you wear some slippers. This is a trash, I believe, combustibles and non-combustibles. So things that catch on fire, things that don't catch on fire. That's the way I'm looking at it. We have the kitchen, and we'll try this in a little bit. Looks like it's possibly gas. Sink. Oh, they gave us a lot of dishes there. Glasses, cups, bowls, plates, plenty for us.
No, that is not open.
This is nothing. We have a microwave, and we also have a kettle to boil some water, a fridge, and a bottom part as well, and two more beds. Yeah, you can put 3 or 4 people on here. Most likely 2 people in this bed, 1 in here, and a balcony, which is really nice. Gives you fresh air. And a view of Tokyo. Well, at least an alleyway of Tokyo. But the big plus in this place is it's walking distance to Shibuya Station and Shibuya Crossing. And we just went through it, and it's incredible. We're going to try it this time without luggage and see what this is like. And the big problem I think we're going to have is where to eat. There are so many places we passed by to eat, and they all look amazing. So I think this is going to be incredible. Shibuya at nighttime, and we're out and we just want to see what they have here. We might get some ramen, but we're gonna just kind of check it out and see what kind of food they have here. Looks like there's a lot of choices. We're actually not that far from Shibuya Crossing, which is a really busy area. But right now we're just hunting for some food. Kind of place has ramen here. You might check this out. Looks really busy. There's a little bit of a line. We're gonna take a little bit of a walk first, but this might be a good place to go. Looks pretty tiny though. A lot of choices here.
What is this?
I don't know, it looks like a food court, babe. Looks like a bunch of food places. If you look at the sign, they got all sorts of.
This is taxi.
That's a taxi. Taxi go. Looks like only the taxis can go in this street. If you look,
Yeah.
it's like closed to everything else. Let's go check out Family Mart.
You wanna see this?
Yeah, let's check it out first. Yeah. Family Mart is a popular place to visit while in Japan. An exceptional convenience store with high-quality, ready-to-eat foods.
And also, this is walking distance from the apartment. How convenient.
Yeah, I got lots of ice cream. Lots of snacks. I think they have like ramen too, where you can heat up. This is like the ready-to-go stuff, huh? Popular items are onigiri, pastries, sandwiches, and curry-based chicken, and a wide variety of snacks and sweets. The inventory changes weekly, which offers new items that keep customers coming back. They will also heat up the food for you upon request. The stores are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and Family Marts can be found all over Japan with over 15,000 stores. It has become a favorite spot for tourists while in Japan.
That's spam musubi.
Spam musubi, yeah. Plastic bananas in plastic. I've never seen this before, but hey, Tokyo. Interesting. The pastries up here. I always like these for breakfast. So maybe in breakfast time we'll come down here and see what they have.
As we step outside the apartment, we are already in the center of it all, and everything is here.
Shibuya is an underground shopping mall directly underneath the Shibuya Scramble Crossing. It features affordable fashion, cosmetics, and a food show. In this case, we just saw the food show. Shibuya began in 1957 as a weatherproof route connecting the JR Shibuya Station and the Hachiko Square. The Shibuya Food Show features 80 stalls with Japanese and international food, like bento boxes, sushi, tonkatsu, and high-end bakery items, as well as ready-to-go food. Shibuya Food Show is open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. And near closing time, it will offer discounted prices on many of the food options.
30% off over here too. I think everyone right now is 30% off.
We just got our food. Let's go to Shibuya Crossing.
So I'm standing at the famous Shibuya Crossing. And if you look up, they have all the billboards, you have the lights.
Here you go.
Oh, here we go. Let's do it. Let's cross.
Shibuya Crossing is famous as the world's busiest pedestrian intersection, also known as the Scramble, where up to 3,000 people cross simultaneously from all directions when traffic stops. Located in Tokyo, it is an iconic symbol of Japan's modern energy.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
The train station is conveniently located once you pass Shibuya Crossing. Right in front of us is Shibuya Station. This is going to take us to where we want to go. It also has the JR line, which is the green line, which goes to most of the places we want to go to.
There is a quick tips before checking out the apartment. First, make a quick video for you to have evidence that the apartment is still in good condition and there is no trash everywhere. And second, put the key back into the lockbox and be good to go.